In the previous lesson, I mentioned Ethereum runs on peer-to-peer network of nodes. In this lesson, let's look deeper into what node clients are and what we use it for. There are thousands of nodes that run on Ethereum network. If you go to ethereumnodes.org, you will find nodes running on different locations around the world, with USA, Germany, and France owning most of the nodes at the time of recording. There are different node trackers online. Apart from ethernodes.org, etherscan.io/node tracker, and nodewatch.io or crawler.ethereum.org, to name a few. Note that due to the nature of decentralized networks, these crawlers can only provide a limited view of the network and might report different results. GETH is one of the original implementation of Ethereum protocol, written in Go programming language and is most run node client. The software an Ethereum node runs is EVM, which is short for Ethereum Virtual Machine, and runs applications on global consensus mechanism. More about EVM is covered in a separate lesson in the next section. For now, all you need to know is an EVM is the software that executes smart contracts and compute the state of Ethereum network. There are three types of nodes: full node, light node, and archive node. Full node stores a copy of the entire blockchain locally and participates in the block validation and verifies all blocks and states. However, the states are pruned from time to time and it doesn't store data starting from Genesis block. If any request is made for historic data, it can make a request to archive node and get that for us. Up next, it's light node, which stores only the header chain and can request everything else, and can verify the validity of the data against the states in the block headers. It is well suited for low-capacity devices with low memory. Finally, archive node. Archive node stores everything in full node and builds an archive of historical states. It requires terabytes of disk space, which is not ideal for an average user. An example of usage of this node would be getting balance of an account on 3 millionth block. Setting up your own node can cost you time and resources, but you don't always need to run your own instance. In this case, you can use a third-party API provider like Infura, Alchemy, or QuickNode. Alternatively, archivenode.io is a community-funded archive node that hopes to bring archive data on the Ethereum blockchain to independent developers who otherwise couldn't afford it. Note, by using a node service, you are centralizing the infrastructure aspect of your product. For this reason, projects that hold decentralization to the utmost importance might prefer self-hosting nodes rather than outsourcing to a third party. But we will be using third-party API provider for our tutorial videos, which is most ideal for most dApps.